I'm 𝗏𝗧'𝗦 and this is our negosyo.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
Hi, I'm April.
Hi, I'm June.
And this is our negosyo.
Welcome to Cebu Province Mushroom Growers Agriculture Cooperative.
Welcome to Mushroom House Burgers and More.
𝗏𝗧'𝗦. My agricultural career started way back around 2016 when I bought a property, small property in Tabuelan. Naami mga manggahan dito. And then after that, I became attracted to mushroom around 2018. And then by the 2018, I started solo. And then I was able to join the group at the year 2019, and then by November. So by November, we started at 18 members. And then by the year 2019 also, December, nag-start na kami ng production. And then nag-start din kami mag-process na ang mga papers sa CDA. And then by the 2020, I think August, lumabas na yung papers namin sa CDA. So, officially, cooperative na yung grupo namin. When December, nag-start mi sa amo ang mushroom production na ami sa Carmen kasi one of the member offered the facility para doon kami ma-production. So, but then malayo man din kasi siya, since malayo siya, gamay lang kami nakakapag-produce ng mushroom doon. So, we decided to transfer sa Liloan. Pag-transfer namin sa Liloan, although okay na aming production, every week nakaka-produce na kami na around 114 bags. But then, yung pandemic na to, by the year 2020 of March, nag-start na siya mag-lockdown. So, nung nag-start na kami doon, blooming na yung production sa Liloan. Nung nag-pandemic, nagkaroon ng mga border lockdown. So, at the July na kami nakabalik doon sa mushroom sa Liloan. Tapos, balik mi sa scratch kasi namatay lahat yung amo ang mushroom. So, we decided na ibalik na mo ang mushroom diri sa Bacolod. Itong itong space na to, inoffer to ng isa ding namin member. Siya ang vice chairwoman namo sa cooperative. Yun na nga, nag-produce na kami dire ng August, naka-start na kami. Tapos sabi namin, backyard farming kasi yung numpisahan namin dito. So, ang facility namo, hindi niya kakaya na makapag-produce ng mass production. So, ang nangyari, nag-seek kami ng intervention sa DOST. Nag-apply ako ng grant sa kanila, which fortunately, na-grant man din sa ako. So, meron kami 472,000 na grant, na which is binili namin na mga equipment karon. Ang goals lagi sa the cooperative is to produce mushroom. So, ang mushroom kasi as of healthy wise, dapat makilala talaga siya ng tao. Ito yung maging impart siya sa daily diet ng every Pilipino. And then, hindi lang siya sa members na mo nagbe-benefits kasi the cooperative also support farmers from south and north ng Cebu. So, as of now, naatay community na sinusuportahan sa Dumanghog at saka sa Karkar. Para sa pag-grow is first mag-start ta sa ato ang substrate. Substrate is imimix natin siya. Ang ginagamit ng cooperative na substrate is uhot or hay, and then sawdust, a mixture of sawdust, and then some additives para sa nutrients ng mushroom. And then once na na-mix na nato to siya, ibabaging natin, and then pagbaging, i-sterilize natin siya for 8 hours. And then after ma-sterilize nato for 8 hours, doon na nato siya tatamnan ng spawn. And then once na tanam na natin siya ng spawn, mag-wait tayo na at least mga 1 month para maramified yung ato ang fruiting bag. Ramified means gumapang na yung ato ang amag. So, meaning, buhay yung fungus na ato ang gitanom sa substrate. So, after supposed to be, pagka-healthy ang ato ang fungus na natanim, dapat lumalabas na yung fruit ng mushroom. Nag-start na siya magpe-petals. As of now, so dito sa ato ang main production, wala pa talaga siya. Pero doon sa ato ang Dumanghog, mga farmers nato Dumanghog, makaproduce sila at least 20 kilos every 3 days. So most probably, mga 50 per week, and then mga 100 kilos a day, a month. Out of the mushroom is yung chicharon. Chicharon is a crunchy chips. Substitute nato sa sa ato ang mga chips na nabibili sa sa ato ang groceries. And then it is made of mushroom. So hindi siya meat na unlike sa chicharon from Karkar na meat good siya. So less what do you call that? Less cholesterol and more healthy. It's guilt-free snacks. First, yung fresh mushroom na to, i-soak muna nato siya sa water, sa cold water for 30 minutes. Then after that, i-squish out nato yung water from the mushroom. And then, magmi-mix tayo ng all-purpose flour together with some additives, which is the pepper, salt, and then some of secret ingredients na ilalagay natin sa ato ang all-purpose flour. And then, we will mix the mushroom sa ato ang all-purpose flour, and then pagka itataktak natin excess flour after that, and then i-mix na sa nato siya again sa another coating, which is the cornstarch. Ang final coating ng ng mushroom chicharon. And then after that, we will make sure na ang ato ang mantika is 100 degrees Celsius, na mainit siya. And then, we will wait. Pagka nilagay na natin yung ato ang mga mushroom dito, we will wait mga 1 hour para makrispy yung ato ang mushroom. Ang kropek is biniblend namin siya para ma-pulverize, and then pag na-pulverize na namin siya, hinahaluan namin siya ng flour. Kasaba flour ang ginagamit namin. And then, tapos ibang ingredients din also. And then after i-separate namin siya sa mga plastics, i-steam namin siya. Pag na-steam na namin siya, Pag naluto na yung kropek, ibibilad na namin sa araw. Pag nabilad namin mga 3 days, tuyo na siya, saka namin siya gugupitin into shapes na desire. We have mushroom burger. We have this latest is our wine, mushroom wine. Okay, this is a mushroom wine that we sell na it is made of Tibicus mushroom. Tapos we process this through fermentation. And then we have the inasal mushroom. So it tastes like mang inasal na chicken. So minamarinate namin siya and then i-grill namin siya. So mas healthier siya because instead of fried, i-grill namin yung mushroom. And then meron din kami regular chicken, which is para siyang sabi ng mga bata is chicken joy kasi they didn't taste like chicken. It tastes like chicken, although it's not chicken, it's mushroom. And then we have this buffalo also, buffalo mushroom. So chicken mushroom is basically para lang din siyang chicharon. So may flour pa rin tayo sa kanya. So kung regular chicken lang siya, be-breaded lang nato siya ng flour, of course with some additives na para malasan yung yung mushroom taste niya. And then i-deep fry lang nato siya. We also saw fresh raw mushroom, and then you can just saute this with garlic and butter, and then pwede din mo siyang ibutang sa bami, sa inununan, or even sa humba. Pwede siyang maano.
Ako si Andrew Quiñones. I am the founder of Mushroom House. Before, I was a salesman, then I stopped, then I do business. May pa mga bata, then ni-grow ni sila with our mga small business. Then after I age, then nagko na mga bata, I retire, then I do some fitness boxing. So, pagsud na ko sa fitness boxing, na-enjoy ako sa boxing, then nag-create me og mga team po sa amateur. We train kids into boxing. I am with 𝗜𝗧'𝗦 𝗠𝗨𝗦. So, for a long time, I've been in the gym. Then after ni pahulay si Sir Waki, niyo siya ako na you can bring the equipments to your place. Then we set up a fitness boxing. So, I get into fitness boxing also kay para sad sa ato health because we're getting older. So, daghan na ngadto sa boxing, so I introduced fitness. Then I combined nutrition. So that's why we're introducing mushroom for a healthy alternative to substitute meat. So because we have a farm which is also helped by my son Finance, nag-grow me og mushroom, white oyster mushroom para sa amo diet. Then para sa ni Sir Waki kay idedara na kinahanglan na og bawal na sa high cholesterol. So then we serve sa burgers in the gym, naghanag fitness, then mangaon sila, at least why guilt. So mas faster ang ilang lose fat program, lose weight program because of the diet.
Hi, my name is Junrian Quiñones. I'm the CTO of Mushroom House Burgers and More. And this is my wife.
Hi, I'm April Quiñones, and I'm the CEO of Mushroom House Burgers and More.
So, ang akong dad into fitness boxing and into healthy products and innovations. At that time, naghimuhimo siya burgers. Timing sad, katong time kay kami ni April, mga environmentalist, manggod mi. Ganahan may mo help save the planet ba from plastic, kay kabantay ka karong panahon na grabe na atong baha, climate change, kay nagkagrabe na ang mga bagyo, ang init, ganana. So nangita mig way, nangita mig product nga mo fit siya sa sustainability and eco-friendly nga aspect. So nag-discuss me with my father nga mag-develop og product nga sustainable. So ang ending is niabot mi og kaning mushrooms kay sustainable man siya compared to beef and other products.
They're one of the most sustainable crops in the planet. Daghan og reason nga nung mushrooms kay sustainable. First, it requires less land kay ang mushrooms can be grown vertically. And we all know na a lot of rainforests are being destroyed all over the world every second. 1.5 acres of rainforests are destroyed every second para to give way for ranching, agriculture, sa plantations, and mushrooms is a good thing para ma-lessen ang real estate. And it also requires less growing materials, water, and energy.
Yes.
So we start experimenting. We make foods out of mushroom like mga chop suey, mga bula-bula, sa amo alang. Then I create a patty which we try. Then among gibutang sa buns, ipakpak na mo. Then among gipatry na, try mo ana. So wala sila nasulti na it's veggies. So I was amazed nga, mura na gid siyang burger. So I started serving. So sige lang yung big research, balik-balik until nakuha gyud namo na ma-mold siya, di siya ma-mold siya, di siya mabungkag. Then it tastes like beef. Until repeated trial and errors and testing, we come out with the final product and we decide to open up a business. So we're just 6 months old. We're just new into trade sa food. So challenging sa among part because we opened during the pandemic. And we are new into food business because I'm into fitness boxing. We call ourselves Healthy Cravings Mushroom House, Burgers and More. So it means we're into burger and more. So ang una namang product, we have 6 varieties. We name our burgers sa fitness. So first, the Jump Jack is just a plain burger with the mushroom patty and our signature sauce which kami mismo ang naghimo. And it has mayo and a pickle relish. So the next, number 2, is the Squat Jump, which has a cheese. It's the typical cheeseburger. Then the third is the Sprint, our fast seller, which has mayo, which is pickle relish, then nasa cucumber, tomato, then nasa onions, grilled onions, then the patty, the 100% mushroom patty, then the cheese, and the signature sauce. And you can also add hot sauce if you want. And by the way, our hot sauce is made of chili and mushroom. It has also mushroom on it. Then we have our 4 and the number 5, which you can choose if you add egg or the pineapple, which is the aloha leaf or the fan rad. Then if you are hungry, so we have the double patty and double cheese and also have the egg on it at the center. So we call it a full fit. But ang nanindot kay dili bugat in kaon nimo, di ka maluya because there is no cholesterol. It's healthy, it's fat-free. Bisa pag mukha kay daghan, you still be active. Instead of pickles, we top it with button mushroom and serve it with cheese sticks. Our cheese sticks has mushroom. That's different. So we just combine the mushroom and the cheese and roll it on the lumpia wrapper. Ang mushroom, kutig siya buhaton. It will take long time, patience, and it should be clean. Kay contaminated siya, di siya mo grow. So sa farm pa lang, matabaho kaayo siya. Then we harvest that, and it will grow. Once mag-grow na siya, it will just sprout out daily. So once mag-grow na, we harvest it fresh. That's when we harvest, we put up into a food processor with our spices and our ingredients. Then we form it into patty and immediately put it in the freezer. As I observe, lisod sad, mahirap kay we have to educate the market because wala pa man gyud kayo na sila manon ang there's a patty made of mushroom for burgers. Burgers are known with beef. So it's very hard to educate the consumer. So we're just posting it on social media, explaining, giving promos, introducing mushroom healthy burgers, then slowly it was accepted. So yan ang pinaka lisod na kay namo nga challenge is how to educate them that there's a mushroom patty that is good for burgers and even more tastier and more meatier than beef.
Most na sa na dili ka kaila sa mushroom, moingon gyud na sila makahilo ba na? O di ba na siya makahilo? Or ihi man na sa iro. So most of the common people, baog yun ang ilang perception sa mushroom. They didn't know na yung mushroom na ginagawa natin is cultured. So cultured meaning inalagaan nato and then gi-produce nato and then gi-offer nato sa market and then with more healthier alternatives sa meat. So yun yung gusto nating i-impart sa public na ang mushroom is a healthy food, superfood na we can replace it sa meat.
Like social media is really a good platform to spread awareness, and I think more and more people are adopting fitness lifestyle and healthy lifestyle for their health at the same time for their shape.
Benefits is more on vitamins. So kung vitamin C lang ang pag-uusapan natin, mas mataas ang vitamin C content niya sa guava or sa calamansi or sa lemon. Yes, oo. And then vitamin D, vitamin B1. There's so many na pwede siya makakure pa ng mga headache, mga arthritis. There are some medicinal mushroom also na oyster mushroom na baka medicinal na pwede sa atwa.
Kabantay ka pag-boom sa industrial age, ang kusog kaayo is kanang single-use plastics kani. Kausaran mo gamiton like plastic bottles, mga plastic bags, nya. Makita ninyo ang effect karon. So that's the one reason nganong important nga ang mga businesses maghinay-hinay og shift to a sustainable alternative kay makita mo na tong effect. Grabe na itong mga baha. Ang mga bagyo is nagkakusog na. So it's about time nga mga businesses right now mo start na to shift to alternative packaging, sustainable materials like kanang mushrooms. Kay kita maragabagay mo suffer if ever nga kanang dili ta mo sugod og shift na. For young business individuals na nag-start up og mga businesses, I think the best lesson siguro is to embrace failures. Kaya ang atong advantage as young entrepreneurs is bata dako kay tag time. So it's okay to fail, but just fail quick. Basta mo fail, learn from your mistakes and improve. So sige lang tag-improve. Di lang ta mahadlok og failures kay part man na siya sa ingredient progress nimo sa success.
Start young if interested jud ka and just do your best wherever you are. Kay if you do your best and you do more than what you're paid for, you will be paid for more than what you do. Mao gyud na kanang tenacity is also very important. Don't give up too quickly. Kay mao man ang uban good na kanang usugod sila. And then after a few obstacles, mo stop dayon kami is we never give up until we fully know that we have done our very best. So mao gyud ang strength.
Consistency, important.
I think the best is yung passion siguro. Yung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. Kasi based on my experience, kung hindi ko gusto yung ginagawa ko or matagal na akong sumuko. I mean, matagal na akong tumigil sa pagmamashroom. Kasi unang-una, nung nag-start kami, nung bumagsak kami, kasi nga sa pandemic, pagkatapos ang hirap. Ngayon, ang hirap na sa humanap ng market. So, maningkamot lang yun.
Well, attitude. Attitude and consistency. So if you don't have that attitude, it's hard for you to get into business. So the key is attitude. A proper attitude is a positive attitude, how way you think, how you will perceive things. And next is, of course, don't get into business that dili nimo na linya. So here, nalinya na ko kay because prior to this, I have done lots of business. Mahilig ko mag-innovate of products. We innovate quails, we tried bunto grill before. Then, ang sayop lang, have people mag-invest, and it will fail. That's why now I learned a lesson. I'm with my family because the family is the one that will stand with you. So we just enjoy this as a family bonding. We just enjoy this sharing healthy food, and also encouraging people to do business that will help the environment, that won't destroy the environment.